What's up, YouTube? Tab the Tech here. So we got something going on. Oh, look at that. You guys just witnessed the check engine light come on. Wow. Big hint, big hint. So I already kind of figured out what's going on, but I want to show you guys the symptom. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but you hear that little boop boop. Yep. Got it plugged into the scan tool. Live data. We got a misfire on cylinder 4. So that's what's happening. I've kind of noticed it, but cylinder 4, it is misfiring. Other than that, everything else looks good. So stay tuned. Gonna get a fix coming. Well, since I got you guys, let's pull the code now. Since it just came up, I'll turn it off because it's misfiring really bad. So yep, permanent DTC number 4 misfire. Wow, man, I can't believe you guys caught that. Haha, it's perfect time to make a video. There was no check engine light prior. As soon as I take out the camera. So my guess is cylinder 4. I wonder if it's oil leaking again. But stay tuned. Till then, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and leave your comments and what you think it is. You think it's another leak again into the cylinder? I hope not, because I hate doing valve gaskets and the spark plug seals. They're so annoying. But leave it in the comments. Drop it.